I haven't filmed anything about my car yet. So last event, New Year event, my motor, what would you call it? Popped? It's running, but
making a strange noise.
It made a strange noise, like
metal on metal.
Explosion noise, like when I was on it. But it's still running and still revs up and it still drives. But it's like one long compression, probably like piston rings shot or something.
Right.
And my boy Danny over here, he got a project going on with this 240. But we got SR here.
What's up with the SR?
We traded TE and my motor and running motor. So we're gonna take it out and go back to my shop and take my SR out and put it back in. Driving it tomorrow night.
Roasting tires tomorrow.
Yep.
All right.
No time wasted.
Well, let's pull this bad boy out.
We got no time, obviously. I forgot to time lapse this. Put it back in the car.
Put it back and start all over.
Start porting it. Do you even like tea?
No, no, I don't.
Sick.
Give it to the camera.
Now officially first TE.
First TE.
You're gonna be a TE hoarder. Because I already got another TE. Once you have tea, you can never leave tea. Bag is secured. Again, I forgot to film from the beginning, but now we're pulling my SR out. And Nico's back out of here again.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Helping. Yeah, we're gonna get ready to pull this out. Nico left, but you guys are fine. We're about to pull the motor out. Two broken studs. Put it back in the car. What did I do to the valve guide? Say it again.
You gotta be a stud to get a stud.
We can't fix it like that. Got another type parts. Cody from Innovation USA hooked me up with this tie, exhaust manifold studs and washing nut. They are absolutely gorgeous. Now he's gonna have a SR20 valve cover bolts. So all this gonna be all titanium pretty bolts.
Go for it. How we looking? Sean? Sean, you good? Boom. Yeah. Jack up the thing, and then we can put on. Now the turn is being held up with jack.
The motor's in.
Huh? I still in the NBA. I think so. You like sports cars?
The Toyo R AAR for the front. Daniel's over here dismounting tire. One done.
And then they sent me on my way. They're like, oh, we can't get it.
That thing's strange. Don't blow up on my face. That sounded gnarlier than
Car rips.
Car rips? It sounds like it's
Like even
ripped.
here, like I just did like spun out here,
Yeah.
second gear pull.
Oh, that was the second?
Yeah, I did a shift down.
Oh shit.
Like just one thing.
Yeah, it sounds like it's gripping and ripping.
Perfectly jacked.
Perfect.
The Justin from JDM Eagle designed it for me. I'm so stoked. Hopefully you guys like it too. To purchase, DM on Instagram at Kota Merchandise. I'll put it in the description. Hope everyone can get hands on this. Run it up. Thanks for the support.